Hi dancers! Today I'm going to teach you part of a choreography for It's Raining Men. This is for our beginning dance PE Group A Jazz. I'm going to break it down step by step and as many 8 counts and dance movements or names of steps as possible. So try and follow along. But before we begin dancing, let's make sure you watch this video at least once. That way you can see what the movements are supposed to look like before you try doing the counts and steps with me. Don't worry if you don't get it right away. The goal is for you to learn it little by little. And with a lot of practice and repetition, I know you will get it. Let's go ahead and run this video one time first. Then I'll go ahead and replay it, and I'll stop and go and rewind and explain all the breakdown of the movements. All right, here we go. Okay, that was fun. So let's start with the very beginning. Only the first row will start off on stage. The second and third row will be split down the middle on the left and right side and will be waiting in the wings to walk in. Betsy will start off the first 2 8 counts with 2 back handsprings and turns, where she will then join the first row, and we will watch what this looks like. So here she goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then we will have Brooklyn turn around on 1 and the rest of the row on 2. Okay, and here the rest of the first row will finish off the 8 counts. When the Weather Girl says umbrellas, the second and third row will jazz walk in 4 counts of jazz walks where they will immediately face the front. But the tempo and the speed of the music will speed up now, so you will jazz walk in quickly. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. Shimmy down. And then we're going to do a box step right here, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's kind of a box step pas de bourrée with hands, okay, at the same time. Up and down. And then here you will prep for your pirouette turn. And you will either do 2 clean ones or you will do 1 clean one, depending on what your level of skill is for this, okay? And now we're going to go ahead and walk 4 step counts, and you're going to go to the left and stop facing to the back. Okay? And then shimmy down, shimmy up. Kickball change, swipe to the front. Okay? And that is it for the first part of It's Raining Men. I hope you like it, and I can't wait to finish this. We will have a fun time performing this for spring concert. All right, that's it for now, and we'll see you soon.